In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account journal in Odoo. To get started, log into your Odoo dashboard and open the accounting app. This is where you manage financial records, journals, payments, and bank connections, so it's the right place to begin when setting up a new bank account journal. Once you're on the accounting dashboard, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the gear icon. This menu gives you access to additional setup options for your accounting workspace. From there, select Add Journal. A journal in Odoo is used to record specific types of financial transactions, and creating the correct journal is an important step in keeping your bookkeeping organized. When the journal setup options appear, choose Bank. This tells Odoo that the journal you're creating will be connected to a bank account rather than cash, sales, or another accounting category. Selecting the correct journal type matters because it determines how transactions will be tracked and how the journal behaves inside the system. Next, search for and select the account or banking institution you want to connect. After you find the correct option, click Connect. At this stage, Odoo begins the process of linking your bank account to the platform so that the journal can be used for bank transaction management and, in many cases, bank synchronization as well. Depending on the bank you select, the next screens may look a little different. Some banks require additional verification or a separate sign-in process to confirm the connection. Simply follow the prompts provided for that specific institution and complete the connection steps carefully. It's a good idea to review each screen before confirming, just to make sure you're connecting the right account and allowing the proper access. Once the connection is completed successfully, your bank account journal will be added in Odoo and ready to use. From there, you can begin working with your bank transactions directly within the accounting module, which helps streamline reconciliation and improves the accuracy of your records. And that's it. As you can see, adding a bank account journal in Odoo is a quick setup process once you know where to find the option. Just open Accounting, use the gear icon, choose to add a journal, select Bank, connect your financial institution, and follow the required steps from your bank. After that, your journal is in place and ready to support your accounting workflow.